Wai Kru, or honoring the teacher ceremony. Why it is Thai greeting. It is also common as a way to express gratitude, apologies, and pay respect to the person you are whying. Why is the method that you placed your palms together in front of your chest. Bend your chin down toward your head. Kru is teachers or people who educate other people. Wai Kru is a practice of paying homage to the teachers. It is the practice of honoring the teacher, which it is very crucial practice to Thai culture. When taking Thai massage classes, it is not just about taking a new skill so that they can go work to make income for a living, but it is about learning this ancient skill to do good, to help others. In Thailand, Thai massage students or Thai massage practitioners believe that by performing rituals and saying prayers at the Wai Kru ceremony, the performing, their career and their lives will be blessed. The ceremony includes prayer to the Buddha, to Dr. Shivaka Komarapat, or he is the father of ancient traditional medicine, and he also is or was the physician of Buddha. Also prayers to their line of teachers, and may also include prayers to King Rama V. Thai people revere King Chulalongkorn or King Rama V as the father of Thai massage. Wai Kru ceremony is performed on a selected Thursday of each year. It usually is done in June or September. It must be on Thursdays because Thai people honor Thursdays as Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is mean that it is a good day, holy day to start doing anything. With regard of Thai massage students must honor their teachers from the moment they start learning the art. The purpose of practicing Wai Kru includes to make merit to all teachers, to gain therapist self-confidence, to apologize to teachers if students have done anything wrong to teachers, and to recognize and thought of their teachers and remember the teachers' teaching techniques. In Thailand, Thai massage is a kind of art. Other arts include boxing and Thai dance. For example, for the Thai boxing, so before the boxers start their fight on the stage, they will perform the Wai Kru ceremony around the stage before they start fighting. And of course, each year they will have Wai Kru ceremony at their school or at their camp. And the other kind of art is Thai dance. For the Thai dance, before traditional dancer, before they go out on the stage and perform the Thai dancing, they would do Wai Kru behind the stage. And same true as the Thai massage and also Thai boxing. Each year they will perform Wai Kru ceremony. Practice Thai massage bring health and healing to the community. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a healthy day. สวัสดีค่ะ